Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, features, special events, and fun. A lot has been happening in Ocherius, and the brand new Fisherman's, I know it as Fisherman's Beach complex has now opened, renovated with over 18 shops and fun activities that we really need to check out. So we're inviting you to join us, Sheri-Fun Vibe, along with Sheri-Fun Travel, as we head down to see all that's new and exciting in the newly renovated Fisherman's Beach. That's what I know it as. I'll get the proper name and I'll share it with you. But it's creating a major stir, and we're so excited, particularly when our cruise ships dock at the Reynolds Pier. Clients will really be able just to step off their ship and walk on over to this brand new facility. It promises to be a lot of fun, and you know, guys, I'm very excited at the changes that the sleepy seaside town of Ocherius has been undergoing. And a friend of mine just told me about a brand new eatery that is sitting right there in Island Village that is surrounded by water, giving it a Thai garden mystical look. Need to check that out too and tell you what I think, give you my reviews, and see if it's something that we should be included in our Sheri-Fun Vibe. So today we're taking to the streets. We're seeing what's new, what's happening, what's hip for the summer in Ocherius, and we will keep you posted, because guess what? At Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.